Keyboard shortcuts are very useful time savers that eliminate the use of a mouse and avoid navigating through menus, which increases your efficiency. So in this video, we'll demonstrate some of the most useful. Many general shortcuts are used in combination with the Alt key or the Ctrl key. Ctrl A allows you to select all the items from an open document or open window. Use Ctrl C to copy a selected item or text, and then use Ctrl V to paste the copied selection. Ctrl X cuts a selection, then use Ctrl V to paste it. Ctrl Z will undo an action. Pressing the Alt key and the Tab key allows you to switch between open tabs or windows. Alt F4 will close the active window. Press the Alt key and the spacebar to reveal the shortcuts menu for the current active window. And if you press the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys simultaneously, you will open the Task Manager. For some other useful shortcuts specific to Google Chrome, click the link shown. Many keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11 use the Windows logo key as the primary key. Windows key and L is an easy way to lock your PC. Windows key and D minimizes all open windows to display only your desktop. With only your desktop displayed, use the Windows key and D to maximize any open windows. Pressing the Windows key alone will open or close the Start menu, while pressing Windows key and A will open the quick settings. Use the Windows key and C to open Teams chat. And press the Windows key and H to launch the voice typing feature. Windows key and W will open the Widgets board, while the Windows key and E will open the File Explorer. Watch our video on Windows 11 tips and tricks, which includes shortcuts for snap layouts. Just click the link shown. Use the Windows key and I to open Settings, and the Windows key and K to launch the cast options, which allows you to connect to a remote screen. Press the Windows key and N when you want to access your notifications. The Windows key and R will open the Run dialog box where you can execute any app. The Windows key and S will open Windows Search, allowing you to search for any app, file, or other item. But using the Windows key plus Shift plus S will allow you to snip what's on screen. Windows key plus V will show your clipboard history. And to switch between your open windows and virtual desktops, use the Windows key plus the Tab key. For a complete list of all the Windows 11 shortcuts, including those for Windows 10, click the link shown. If you have any questions or need any help, contact us through social media for assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others are chatting about. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for even more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.